Alright guys, we are here right now in Wims's Cafe. Balasa is over here going for a tournament. On the way papunta Wimsy. Yup, tak sa amin. Makapuyat pa kami. Let's go.
Ilang players sa unbox?
46.
46. Tapos nag-top 8.
Top 8.
Anong gamit mo?
Jetmir.
Jetmir.
Handmade.
Alam mo ngayon may mga bago. May Voice of Hunger, tapos may Rally Conqueror.
Ano yung Jetmir ko eh? Manually current iteration per game. So, kung naglalabas sila ng meta-analysis na gawa ko, pinaprepare ko yung mga na-assume, tsaka yung figure pattern ng buwan. Yan, sa unbox, may sarili na ako sa ito. Magtatanggal ako nung mga containment place, yung hindi mo machichip. Although yung ano ko talaga, build ko, iba, wala, nagbase ako ulit sa feature list. Yung joke niya. Pero,
Sino set ng panipanggal? Hindi pa pag-ibig.
tsaka lightning.
Oo, yung kaya
Double ano yun eh. Pag nag-trigger yun eh, lumabas lang yun.
Until end of turn yung damage niya, no?
Hindi, next na pa. Next na.
Until next, no?
Double lahat. Yung nagalit sa'yo. Kaya pag nakuha ni Winota yun eh, yung dalawa na yun, panalo na eh. Nasuko ako yung pinitest ko. Lumabas si Tifa sa bigyan
Wait, any source of damage there? Kahit sa kanya rin.
Alam ko combat lang.
Combat lang.
Times 2. Pag dinouble strike mo pa yung sa Winota.
Kaya pala, nung one time na nasakay ko sa isang pot, double daw. Sabi ko, bakit? Kasi may ganito. Kasi sila, pangalan?
Yung lightning.
Really?
Ano siya, yung kay Tifa yung pinamas malakas.
Proxy friendly pa naman ton 10. So, expected na natin yung mga bagong
Feel ko yung sa Final Fantasy wala nagbago sa mga TNT. Sa mga majority ng blue. Sa wrong side meron konti yung parang lumabas na
yung one
na
one sense.
yun yung malakas yun eh. Napansin ko yung malakas.
Sa Derevi or sa Yuri ko baka magana.
Tapos pwede nyo i-counter yung mga storm.
Oo.
Kasi
trigger na build-in. Magsa-storm trigger muna bago mag-storm count mo. So, counter mo yung storm trigger, hindi magka-copy yung spell.
isa lang. Alam mo, isa lang.
Malakas yung sa kanil. Sa heart.
Gigil sa brain missions.
Actually. Tama. Tsaka malakas yung starting town. Yun yun. Sa CVH.
Starting town na.
Color.
May Final Fantasy na series yung
Commander?
ngayon.
Siguro, may isa. Pero hindi ko alam sino.
Yung food chain commander siguro na 5 robot. May chance.
Yung Terra.
Piling ko may chance.
Terra ba yun?
Terra.
Also is 12. Yung isa may gates eh, yung 5 color eh. Pero kung mahirap mag-gates,
May Oppo eh.
BT. Curiosity.
Baka may mag-BV eh.
Lakas
Piling ko eh. Piling ko may mag-BV
Piling ko wala.
mamaya eh.
Kasi pag na-curiosity, magkas ka lang ng petal, draw 3 na yun.
medyo nahihina pa ako sa BB. Madali ma-shutdown.
Kasi blue red.
Blue red eh. Ang galing mo yan sa BB, tapos eh.
Actually, ang video is
Alright guys, we are here right now in Wims's Cafe. Balasa is over here going for a tournament. Wish us luck. So me and Brian are gonna be here. So ito po yung location nila around Greenfield. If you guys are nearby, you can come over, play some tournament games, and yeah, have fun. So tara! Ang dami natin. 37 registered players. So right now, everyone is checking their deck list. We have our judges checking around. Inigo, resident Rogue Side player. I don't know what deck he's using right now. So Inigo, say hi to the cam.
Hey! Shoutout nga pala sa mga
Shoutout
mga pogi dyan.
Ayaw! Relate, sir. Ito, may kasama din tayong Balasa member, si Brian.
Ay, kumusta?
You guys are gonna see him also in other featured podcasts, pero right now kasi we're just focused on tournament. So yeah, we're gonna see him again next time. Tapos, meet some of our friends here. Hi guys, so si Sir Army, one of our resident blue players. I don't know what deck, I think Urza?
I'm playing red. I'm a red
Oh, red player na siya. Wow.
player, by the way.
Player na.
I'm a red player.
Red player. Okay.
You don't know what
Yeah, I used to fight him with the Urza deck, so I was like, oh, what a blue.
I'm not using Urza, man.
Okay. Alright, say hello, Ethan.
Hi guys.
Okay. So kasama din namin siya sa Onkeko. We've been playing with him for a while. So nagulat kami kasi he's here. Di namin expect parang early surprise.
Yeah, you should have seen their faces, especially the
Yeah, we were actually shocked. So yeah, have fun with your food. Enjoy your food. So yun. So yun, we're gonna give you guys updates about the game. So right now we're just gonna prep for a bit. Bye guys.
Alright, everyone, hello, welcome. Welcome sa WMC. This is huge welcome. My name is Inigo Tendenko, and I'm one of the usual tournament organizers in the WMC's Supremacy, which is our proxy tournament, 10-card proxy tournament that we hold every other month. So yeah, again, I would like to welcome you all. Thank you for joining. So, yeah, before we begin, mag-ano na ako ng a little bit of house rules. House rules lang naman. Before we start the formatting. So, first off, I think some of you are familiar with this now. We have this rule called the dead man. So, let's present the scenario here. Pag namatay yung isang tao sa isang pod, usually sa ibang tournaments outside in the Metro Manila, pag namatay yung isang player and the game goes to tie, sabihin na natin, usually, yung mga natirang players lang yung magkaka 1 point dun sa draw. But that's not how we're gonna do that. Everyone in that pod, during draws, 1 point. That's good. So we want to promote a very anti-corpo environment. We don't want anyone singling anyone out. So that's why we implement that status. So speaking of like dead people on the pods, again, when you are dead on board, you don't have the right to politic in terms of anong mangyayari sa game na yun. But shut up ka na, silence ka na. We're probably gonna implement na you have to stand up na after when you're dead, so you don't get to influence the pod anymore. That's right. Okay. So yeah, it's one of the rules. And anything else? Wanna add anything else before we go into formats?
I am one half of Toxic Gaming Event. Ako si Lauren ng partner dito. So again, our brand, our goal, always our mission is to create and nurture a CDH community which is corpo-proof. So for now, please relax. So double check your decks, and then we will post the pairings. Yes. Alright.
Let the game begin.
Yeah, so yun nga guys, no, you guys heard that there's already 12 new players for this EDH tournament. So yeah, Ethan, can I get an interview of how is your first time playing tournament CEDH in here, WMC Cafe?
This is my first time playing a tournament in general, so kind of nervous, but then I think I got it kind of in the bag. I played a lot of Magic in the past few days. I think I'm pretty familiar and comfortable with my deck, so I'm just gonna go out there, try my best. And
Nice. Good luck, bro.
thank you.
So I'm actually very proud because I can see you here right now. You're gonna play with a deck na I'm not gonna say what deck he's gonna use, syempre, for Yeah, pero good luck with your games.
Thank you.
Yeah, guys, hi again. We have another interviewee, si Sir Army. Yeah, so we're gonna be interviewing about his first time playing tournament with Toxic Gaming. for their first tournament here. So, kamusta naman? How is it? How do you feel about the no corpo policy?
No corpo policy. Actually, I think it's a very refreshing take on the usual tournament. Very depressing take on the. So I'm kind of sad now, and I want to go home. No, I'm kidding. No, so I think maganda yung take na yun.
Actually, it's good, no? Kasi they're enticing more people to join the tournament. Kasi talagang they're considering those kinds of things talaga.
Yeah, no, especially on the format na multiplayer, medyo mahirap siya on a competitive level. So
Totoo.
usually kasi mga competition is on a one-on-one. Kasi ang hirap mag-host ng mga multiplayer formats. And
Dapat no limitations when it comes to multiplayer, no?
yeah, dapat no limitations and no Jerome sana. Joke lang.
Sorry.
Love ko dyan, Jerome.
Charla.
Boto niyo mayor.
Ay, hindi.
Ay, hindi ba na-isip
Hindi pa ako tatakbo. Lalakad lang ako. Ayan. So yan guys, we'll give you guys updates about our games once in a while. Pero right now we're gonna take a rest for a bit kasi magsa-start na rin kami in a bit. Yeah. So yeah.
Yung pinakamabilis na nanalo. Sis, bro.
Hello guys. Hey. Whew. What a day.
Pagod.
Parang masyado tayo napagod.
Sobra, men. Wala ako masabi.
So yun nga, recap lang about our games. It took us 5 rounds for 34 players in the tournament.
Yes.
So medyo alanganin yung namin, laro namin kasi we're not in a good physical condition. Puyat pa kami.
Galing kami sa podcast.
Yeah, I think it's a bad habit yung nag-podcast kami tapos diretsong tourney.
2 hours sleep.
We're not in a good condition talaga, mentally and physically. Ang dami naming misplaced. Ako, ang dami akong misplaced, honestly.
Ako rin.
Pero so far, na-enjoy naman namin. We've met a lot of people and sobrang fulfilling yung nangyayari sa amin dito kasi we've gathered a lot of info about tournaments and yung other people na nakilala namin who are organizing the tournaments. Pero how was your game, Bri? Kamusta yung mga laro mo?
Mainit.
Ay po.
You're in contention.
Ay, hello. Shoutout po pala tayo kay
Yes. Okay
Sir
lang
JB.
po. Okay lang po.
Sir JB, kaway lang po kayo dito.
Kawin naman po kayo dito.
Siya po yung tournament organizer ng Websay here. Yung Toxic Gaming.
Thank you for joining. Please try us. We look forward to new players coming in. They did well. I hope they had fun. So thank you. Thank you.
Mainit ang laban dito.
Thank you. Very sweaty, literally.
Yes.
Init.
Pero mainit talaga laban
Pero
dito.
malakas ang laro talaga. We're very happy na pumunta kami dito kasi nung naglaro kami dito talaga well, this is not a common thing about nung hindi tayo naglalaro lagi ng CEDH, diba? Like this is like our second time. Ay, hindi, for me this is my second time on a CEDH setting. Sa'yo?
Ulit? Sorry.
Ikaw, Bri, gano'ng katagal ka nagsi-CEDH? Like, ilang tournament mo na yun? Like, bilang pa sa kamay bilang pa.
Pang-apat, guys.
Mga babies pa po kami.
Pang-apat.
Mga babies pa po kami sa tourney.
Pang-apat.
Pero ang lakas ng meta at the same time, very ang daming rogue commanders na hindi mo alam kung there was a Nisa, there was a Tayam, I was on Helga, Brian was on Tasigur. Pero ang nagtatap pa rin nakikita namin partner commanders Team na Chrome. Most yung mga team na Chrome nakikita namin.
Team na Chrome.
Another is Ral. Yung Ral commander na po may Planeswalker.
Lumalaban po ba sila?
Oh, Storm. Pero
Tayam.
Tayam malakas.
Malakas ngayon.
Malakas ang Tayam.
Taas.
What else?
Siya yung leading nata
Yeah.
Or yung
No. He was on Team na Chrome. Team na Chrome pa rin yung top 10 points yung Team na Chrome Pero yeah, kudos ko to all the tournament organizers and to shoutout kay Sir JB. Ayan nga yung nakita nyo kanina. And kay Judge Red. He was also handling as a judge. Yeah, we're very thankful na nakarating kami dito. First time namin dito sa WMC for a tournament and talagang the gathering talaga. Ang dami natin. 34 pero yeah, yung games natin medyo kulang kami sa practice. And
Sobra.
pahinga, kulang din. Pero I'm not using that as an excuse this is a lesson for us na kailangan, if you guys are thinking of going to a tournament, magpahinga kayo. Okay? Be in well condition at the same time.
Maganap tayo ng yung
Coffee. Yeah, kulang kami sa coffee. Coffee.
Naghanap akong 7-Eleven dito eh.
Kulang coffee.
Pero kasi yung alam mo yung galing kami sa malayong lakad.
Oo.
Tapos ang init.
Hindi, sa susunod, pag maglalaro tayo tourney. Focus lang tayo sa tourney. Kasi,
Pero good experience.
good experience. Really great experience.
May mga nakilala kami dito mga judge, may mga nakilala kami mga taga
Yeah, so if you guys are thinking of doing a tournament, going for a tournament, we recommend Whimsy kasi maganda talaga yung yung setup nila dito. And we're very happy na welcome kami dito. Yan. What else? Highlights ng mga games mo. First win mo at least.
Yung Godo player, naging control player.
Wow.
Wow.
I mean, parang wala ata siyang choice.
Oo. So, sa mga guide niya, yung nag-guide siya, sinasabi niya yung mga i-remove.
He knows the game.
Oo.
Sanay siya.
So, sumunod lang ako doon. Tapos from doon, mayroon nag-attack siyang probe sa akin. Nakita niya yung Brewmaster. Tapos pagka turn ko,
Nag-win attempt ka ba nun? Tapos napigilan ka?
hindi. I mean, pagka kita niya Brewmaster,
Sure na alam niyang galaw
hindi,
mo?
alam niya may Brewmaster.
Oh.
So alam niya lahat ng hawak ko. Wala akong lupa, walang So pag draw ko, nakuha ko Devoted Druid.
Oh.
So binaba ko yung Devoted Druid. Kasi sinabi nga agad niya may Brewmaster akong hawak. So umikot.
Okay.
Pero yung pag-ikot kasi, yung isa, mag-tutor. Finale, Devastation. Nag-tutor yung katabi ko. Hindi ko na hinayaan, minana-drain ko na. So nakakakuha ko ng 4 na mana. Tapos from there, yung Ral naman, wala siyang magawa, so nag-value na lang siya.
Okay, ano yung end game? Like, what was the conclusion of the game? How did you win?
Nagano ako, Brewmaster Devoted Druid. Pero yung Godo, trinay niyang counterin yung ginagawa ko by killing Brewmaster. Targeting Devoted Druid.
Okay.
Pero dahil may mana drain ako na 4 mana, nagawa ko yung Sky Turtle, pinuha ko yung mana drain ulit.
Nabalik mo yung counter mo.
Nabalik ko yung counter ko, na-counter ko yung some kind of boy.
Lakas talaga ng Colossal Sky Turtle na yan. Maski rin ako eh. Ang laki ng kick, ang laki ng tawag dito, bawi sa akin ng Colossal kanina.
Pero parang nag-align lang eh. Like, saktong-sakto yung nakuha kong mana sa mana drain.
Iba yung swerte. Iba talaga ang swerte.
Oo.
Pag nabunot mo yung card mo for the win. Yeah.
Tsaka medyo fresh pa kami nun eh.
Medyo. Ngayon hindi na.
Hindi na talaga.
Lumpia na lang ang fresh. Kami hindi. Pero ako naman, well, ano yung stats mo ngayon? 2-3?
2-3.
2-3. 2 wins, 3 loss. 5 rounds na kami. Ako naman, 1-3-1. 1 win, 3 lose, tapos 1 draw. So, yung first win ko, it was a turn 3 win versus Rogsai and Sisei. It was a 3-man pod. Sinuwerte lang ako because I got the Sanctum Weaver. And then nakabitan ko ng Freed from the Real. So I got an infinite mana and then a Fair Mastermind. So yun, sure win na. Ang dami nangyari that time on the stack pero eventually nanalo din ako. So that was really a luck game for me. Tapos yung draw ko naman, it was a win attempt by the RAL player. Unfortunately, medyo na-whiff yung game set niya. Kinounter kasi ng dalawang team na Chrome nakaharap ko. So medyo napigilan talaga yung combo niya, mahirap talaga. Tapos ayun, medyo naalanganin, na time out kami. So napunta lang sa draw. And my 3 losses, yung last game ko was really, it struck me hard kasi medyo bad hand. I got lost. I lost from the Anissa deck, which is very, very strong. Very niche talaga. Landfall is really strong on this set. Walang pakialam sa stacks.
O yung isang green.
Yeah. it was, ano tawag dito, when Nisa is triggering, you just find the Kiron Ranger and the Ashaya. Trigger, get the landfall, and infinite mana into finale. Yun. So, really good. Daming good experience.
Yung second win ko,
Oh, kamusta?
ano yun eh.
Feeling ko ano yun eh, pahirapan talaga yun eh.
Oo,
Grind talaga.
hindi naman sa ano.
Nakita ko kanina eh.
Actually, may point na ano eh. Naka-opo yung isa. Tapos ginamit ko yung wish glow para makahanap ng sagot sa... Masyadong nakuha ni Magda yung attention.
Oh.
Tapos meron akong wistic study. So, ang ginagawa nung iba para makahanap ng sagot,
Bigyan ka ng sagot.
padrawin ako. Pero ang nangyari, yun nga, nasobra ng na-draw ko yung
You
Eyes
got
of
your
One
win con.
Dramatic.
Oo. Na-set up ka for the win eh.
2 racks lang ako, pero meron kasing 1 ring.
You got your infinite draw. Ay, hindi naman infinite draw. Like, substantial number of draw.
So from there,
Sister Army. The role player.
So from there, trinay ko mag-value muna, get draw, tapos rock, tapos infinite mana. Tapos yung moment na tinanggal ko yung Oppo agent, gumalaw si Magda. Sorry.
Okay.
Mabilis akong mana eh.
Hindi, pagod ka lang.
Pagod na rin. Si Magda, biglang gumalaw si Magda kasi makapag-tutor siya. Tapos from there, trinay ko mag-utter, which is nag-respond ulit siya ng tutor. From there, trinay ko mag-Born Upon the Wind.
Ikaw, wala habol mo ng flash.
Tapos,
Nag-flash ka into Praetor's Grasp into
Oo.
getting their combo.
pero sabi naman isa, gagawin niya, mag-activate siya na makakapag-produce siya ng treasure, which abot ulit ng 5 treasure, makapag-tutor siya ulit.
Oh.
Pero ang sabi ko, in response doon, pwede kong counterin yung Utter, which is,
Para hindi mawala.
may infinite mana na ako eh.
Oh.
Si Ta siguro na sa ano na eh. Pwede akong countering ko si kahit sino, pwede ako mag-endurance,
Oo.
tapos magpa-flash ako ulit, or kung gusto ko siya kupalin, hanapin ko si Oppo Agent. May Tasigur ability.
But yeah, kahit medyo...
Ang hirap na pag may infinite mana, tapos Tasigur.
Pero so far, no, kahit ganito yung experience natin, medyo
Lumalaban pa rin.
lumalaban pa rin.
Hindi
And
kami magpapatalo basta-basta.
eventually, we're gonna get there. Pero kudos ulit sa mga TOs and judges. And Whimsy, thank you also for hosting this event, for letting us in your play in your venue. That's no? They're also
Hindi ko pa alam kung anong ranking ko eh.
we'll look at it later. Hindi pa namin nakikita yung stats namin or
9?
percent win. This is our first but definitely not our last. Yeah, we're gonna syempre support the LGS, play as much as we can.
Hindi ako makabubunto sa pwede ako mag-Toracle eh.
He was supposed to win and try kasi nga hindi niya nagawa.
Hindi ba, tataka ako ba't di ko ginawa?
Natatakot ka.
Hindi.
Focus tayo sa laro, tsaka pahinga-pahinga din tayo. Pero ayun guys, yun lang naman. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in. We'll send you guys more content as much as we
Mainit
go.
ang laban dito guys.
Shout out sa Toxic Gaming Events. Thank you for hosting, for organizing, and kay Sir JB and kay Sir Red ulit as a judge. Yun lang. Bye-bye guys.
Wait, babalik kami dito.
Babawi kami.
Nakanda.